Here are 10 of the best benefits of using PowerDirector 365. PowerDirector 365 is a powerful video editing software that comes with a range of features and benefits. 1. Intuitive user interface. The user interface of PowerDirector 365 is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. It provides easy access to all the features and tools, allowing users to create professional quality videos quickly and easily. 2. High-quality video editing. PowerDirector 365 provides advanced video editing capabilities, including support for 4K and 360-degree video editing, which enables users to create high-quality videos with ease. 3. Extensive library of effects and transitions. PowerDirector 365 includes a vast library of effects and transitions that users can use to enhance their videos. The library includes everything from basic transitions to advanced special effects. 4. Color correction. PowerDirector 365 comes with advanced color correction tools that enable users to adjust the color and lighting of their videos, ensuring that their videos look professional. 5. Multicam editing. PowerDirector 365 provides multicam editing capabilities, enabling users to sync and edit footage from multiple cameras, making it easier to create dynamic videos. 6. Audio editing. PowerDirector 365 comes with advanced audio editing capabilities, enabling users to edit and enhance the audio tracks of their videos, ensuring that the sound quality is top-notch. 7. Cloud storage. PowerDirector 365 comes with cloud storage, enabling users to access their projects from anywhere and on any device, making it easier to work on projects collaboratively. 8. Regular updates. PowerDirector 365 receives regular updates, ensuring that users have access to the latest features and capabilities. 9. Royalty-free stock library. PowerDirector 365 provides users with access to a vast library of royalty-free stock footage, music, and sound effects, making it easier to create professional quality videos without having to create all the content from scratch. 10. Affordable subscription. PowerDirector 365 is available through an affordable subscription model, making it accessible to users on a tight budget. The subscription provides access to all the features and tools, ensuring that users can create professional quality videos without breaking the